Hello, I'm here in our SMT room. In many factories around the world, connection to smart device, sensors, and video transmission is essential for modern production lines. But in factory environments with big metal structures and moving machinery, it makes it hard to access wiring. That's where traditional network solution often fails. That's where our solution comes in. Our industrial Powerline Ethernet bridge. We deliver data through your AC or DC power lines, especially designed for connection to smart devices like robotics and video transmission for monitoring and with 500 megabits per second, low latency, and 24/7 operation, we offer manufacturers an upgrade to their operations without disrupting their infrastructure. With Wondertek, we have 17 years of experience. We offer all OEM and ODM services to answer all your industrial needs.